Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw scripts from OpenAI GPT Builder into production workflows. Begin by accessing your OpenAI account. Navigate to the GPT Builder section of the OpenAI platform. Select the script you wish to withdraw for production. Review the specifics of your chosen script to ensure it meets your requirements. Once confirmed, locate the export or download option within the interface. Click on the export option to initiate the download process. Choose the desired format for the script, typically JSON or CSV. Save the file to a designated folder on your local system. Open your production workflow management tool. Create a new project or select an existing one where you intend to integrate the script. Import the downloaded script file into your workflow tool. Follow the prompts to configure any necessary settings related to the script. Test the integration to ensure that the script functions correctly within your workflow. Monitor the initial executions to identify any potential issues. Make adjustments to the script or workflow settings as needed. Document any modifications for future reference. Once satisfied, finalize the setup for regular use. Regularly review the performance of the script in your production environment. Continuously optimize as needed based on feedback and results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.